was left of this tailpipe, and this was looking quite rusty, but as you can see, once I ground this down, I mean, there's lots of nice good metal under there. So I had thought about making little notches there to do little plug wells here, but I think because this is very thin here on the side, I think I'm just going to go from inside here. I'm just going to throw a little bit of, I'm going to throw a few tacks in like this. I have a small arc welder, and I'm going to put a few tacks on the inside. I think that's going to be fine. All right, let's get this, let's get these fused together. Okay, well, I got this tacked in place using the small arc welder, and you can tell by the heat marks there that got pretty good penetration. I don't know if you can see. There's a couple, one little pass there, one little pass here. Hard to see, but I don't think that's going to come off, at least not for a couple of years. All right. So the advantage to doing it this way is that I'm going to reuse this old muffler, which in my opinion is perfectly fine. Now if I took this to a shop, they would have taken this and they would have thrown this in their metal bin. You know, you see the rotted end, and then they would have looked at all this. But I'll show you with the flat disc. I mean, you can see that. I mean, there's still lots of good metal. There's a few little. I mean, there's some surface rust, but no, this is still good. I'm going to use this. All right, let's throw this back on the car. Okay, well, here we are under the car. Let's try to get that up there. This. My little spigot lined up with that broken pipe. It should slide right over. Let's see how this goes. Okay, well, there it is back in place. Yeah, I was able just to slide that on. My idea worked. Still on plan A, which is pretty amazing. And the hardest part was just up here. Might flip my whole film around, but just up here, there's the rubber hanger. Where's that rubber? Can you even see there? There's the rubber hanger. So what I did is I pulled the rubber hanger off of the car. I put the hanger on to the muffler, and then it was just sliding it into the one spigot. So I think that's good. I think that'll work. Hopefully last a couple years. Thanks for watching.